Hey Shiba Inu holders, so the team has actually confirmed some new things that you probably don't know about. We'd like to thank all exchanges for their amazing support and most importantly our incredible community that continues to shape the future of this ecosystem. Stay tuned, more exciting things are on the horizon, and that's something that, got me really excited. What happens next? There's going to be a lot more things. It would be awesome if they left some teasers here, but they just left a thank you note, so it seems like they might have a few projects unveiled under works, like some few secret things that nobody yet knows about except a few whales, and that's what I'm really excited for. So thank you so much for dropping a like. We're going to be checking what's happening with SHIB so far, how much it has actually made, what people are requesting, so much more. Burn Shiba, we need this, we support you, and it's time to do the same for us, the Shiba Inu community. Burn, and they're still requesting a huge burn, more exciting things, can't wait to see them. So there's gonna be a lot more, and someone replied Robinhood, and this might be in fact accurate, but I do think there's gonna be a lot more like influencers, verified influencers talking about SHIB, like tweeting to SHIB buy now and stuff like that. So it does seem like that whales who invested in either 1 million, either 2 million or 5 million realize that the potential is huge. The potential for this token could be actually unreal, that we're unraveling what we have waited for the first quarter of 2021. The second quarter of 2021, we're waiting for a strong turn. So with that being said, a lot of people are buying in. And SHIB governance for Shibarium is capital, but it does seem like Shibarium is coming in, governance of DAO is coming in, all of that is going to be announced, and they are releasing content in waves. So with that being said, with the burn on present, with burn to utility, they do have some surprises, they do have some aces up their sleeve. While they might not have as much development as other projects with tens of thousands of employees, they have a very simple thing, and that is, very simply put, the help of the community. With the help of the community, we're going to be seeing a lot more growth so far, and that's something I'm super excited for. But another amazing milestone for SHIB and the entire SHIB army, and you can see here, Coinbase SHIB is now live on Coinbase and the Coinbase iOS and Android apps. Coinbase customers can log in to buy, sell, convert, send, receive SHIB. The SHIB pump on Coinbase right now is 100% proof to me that most people don't give about their favorite tokens they've been holding for months, waiting to the moon. This is on cryptocurrency subreddit, and I wanted to react with it. Volume just more than doubled from 300 million to 750 million. And popularity went from 29 to 25. Now it's back at 28. The price of AMP, my favorite token, blah, blah, blah. But the community is what keeps us strong. So have fun and happy trading. Volume is now 1.2 billion with a 90% buy and 1% sell. So only 1% is selling while 98% is buying. So right now, if SHIB gets to $1, we could be seeing a lot of growth, huge waves of growth. With AMC coming in, with all of these big institutions coming in, this is only the start of something bigger. Litecoin will benefit from this, Ethereum will benefit from this, and the whole crypto market will benefit from this. I think AMC is testing which cryptocurrencies they will accept, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But we all remember how much the AMC stock pumped, and with that, the AMC CEO Adam Aaron wants to give back to the crypto community, because a lot of people investing into stocks also invest into crypto. They have a lot of money to play with, basically. And I'm really excited to see what happens next for SHIB. But this could be a start of something bigger. We could be seeing a lot of big brands, especially there's been rumors of Amazon. But just rumors out there, that they're going to be listing SHIB in 2022. So 2022 is going to be one heck of a year. I'm really excited for that. Now, Dogecoin price, however, is not looking that well. Of course, a lot of you are Dogecoin holders as well. Dogecoin price is in downtrend toward $20, 20 cents. Imagine telling someone a year ago that Doge is on the downtrend to 20 cents. As someone who bought in sub half a cent, I was in disbelief when it hit 1 cent, and I'm shocked when it hits 10 cents. Nothing can surprise me now. Doge's price increase was a stuff of legend, proof that anything is possible in the crypto space. And, not anyone, if you're new to crypto, you probably don't know about this, but Doge was basically used as a meme currency, that it will never reach 1 cent. It will never reach, 10 cents. Not ever, ever, ever. But FX Street has zero credibility. They predict every possible outcome for every day for every coin. They also predict for Shiba Inu, but they do actually hit their streets right. And with that being said, Dogecoin price is a downtrend toward 20 cents. And could this be a big turnaround for SHIB? Could this mean that SHIB is going to be stronger while Dogecoin actually whales down a bit? Of course, Dogecoin will never die. They have support of Elon Musk. What if we get the support of Elon Musk in the future? Now, Dogecoin price action is caught in descending trend channel. Supporting moving averages have turned into resistance. A retest of a September 7th low is the profile target for bears in Doge. So Doge price is trending lower and can lose 60% of its value. Like Doge is not doing well because it's still, having Vitalik Buterin on the board that will still be having a lot more updates. With that being said, look into the future, quit focusing on a daily price action. Look at the amount of growth and stage being set in front of your eyes. Just realize that every single day, 500 to 1,000 holders withdraw their SHIB tokens. Like that is simply something else. In general, with cryptocurrencies, SHIB will always be a number one for me. We should applaud for what this year had done for crypto adoption, and that's, really, really awesome seeing so far. Just take a moment and realize how much SHIB has grown. It has grown by 36 million% in just a matter of a year. So how much more can it grow? Can it grow, an extra million? Can it grow at just 15,000 more? If it hits 15,000% increase, we could be seeing big waves of growth. 15,000%, obviously, that's a very hard barrier to breach, but it would make a lot of people millionaires. It would make a lot of people simply very much rich. SHIB will always be a number one for me as well, and it has done a lot of things so far. So that's something I'm really excited for that. But why I'm bullish, on for this fall and winter. After a rough May to July, I'm falling bullish again. Here's why: institutional interest. I know this is going to suddenly solve crypto's extreme volatility, but large institutions get involved. They will bribe more politicians so they can keep getting richer. So yes, that is the hard reality, but this will in fact increase your wallets as well. So not only are going to be the institutions getting richer, but you will be as well. Technological progress, ADA smart contract, algo partnerships, Lightning Network, Ethereum 2, all of that is evolving, and SHIB will find its own place. While it might not provide, and while it might not be bigger than Ethereum, in terms of what it provides in terms of utility, it's going to be the people's coin, and people will be using it for transactions. Just like they use Dogecoin, they could be using two cryptocurrencies, either Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. And that's why Shiba Inu was named Dogecoin Killer. But right now, it's just stabled as, the next thing to be used as Dogecoin. Also, macroeconomic factors, recovering slowly from economies and expanded social safety net money printing. A lot of people are afraid of the inflation, and that's why they're investing in SHIB. A lot of us are afraid, what if we have, $1 million in our bank account? Well, obviously, a lot of us don't have that. But let's say, for example, you have $10,000 in your bank account and more money gets printed. And those $10,000 are certainly worth $8,000 due to inflation. Now, that is something else. Now, what if you have $100,000 sitting in your bank account? Obviously, you want to have it in Ethereum where it keeps growing, right? But people, in my daily life and online, more and more people are talking about interest in crypto, and this is probably happening to you around the world. More and more people are actually investing in crypto, and some are doing to get rich, but others are trying to understand the technology. And there's so much potential in cryptocurrency space that, this basically gives SHIB a lot of growth. This will give SHIB a lot of proof why it could grow by, fall and winter. And that's something I'm super excited about. So if we avoid a black swan event, we're going to see a lot of added highs this fall and winter, both for SHIB and every single other coin. But Ethereum, people are saying that Ethereum is going to be going up, and that's super bullish. Ethereum is going to go up again, and that's something, every single one of us expected, because basically it's Ethereum, right? It's going to be growing for such a long time. But 6 January, reason why you're still early in the crypto world. Not as for the next time. Thank you so much. And until next time, this is proof that crypto will keep growing. Peace, everyone.